How are we doing, guys? Welcome back to the last little detail for Hyo. If you haven't seen the others, check them out. Make sure you're doing the pattern right up to this point, but this is like the last 3 moves of the pattern. Easy peasy stuff. Okay, I'll start from the beginning, just in case you haven't seen everything yet, or you just want to recap. Okay, remember, my chun be 1, 2, 3, steppity step. 1, 2, 3, steppity step. Pattern guard, kick, knives. 2, 3, spear. Front hip, long turn. 1, 2, 3, steppity step. 1, 2, 3, step in, step out. Opposite hand middle block, kick, reverse punch. Opposite hand middle block, kick, reverse punch. That's where we're up to. Okay? Last 3 moves. Easy peasy stuff. We will be in left foot forwards, right hand punch. It goes big back leg side kick, feet together, and then I'm going to turn out into another pattern guard. Then lift, step, and down. That's it. Okay, that's the end of the pattern. Easy peasy. Okay, but it's the footwork on the kick I want to be very, very specific about. Okay. When I'm in that last punch here, I want to go kick, bam, woof, feet. Okay. If we can, because when we do any big kick, your supporting leg, especially turning kick, like hook kick, round kick, side kick, where your hips have to turn to do the kick, your rear foot, your balancing foot should point away from where you are kicking, give or take. Okay? So when you bring your foot down and your feet meet, okay, they want to be together, pointing the same direction. Okay, so we're going to go big back leg kick, wham, down. That way I'm facing the correct direction, make my life real simple, just step out and guard. If we go kick forwards, then I've got to figure out how am I doing this, am I doing that, yeah, and you end up in the wrong spot. Okay, keep your life simple. Okay, hit your kick, woof, beat, step left, raise, step right. Pattern guards are pattern guards, like your knife blocks, which I've already explained in previous videos, go watch them. Okay, but it's the footwork on the kick. Okay, that's the important bit. Okay, one more time. Actually, I'll do it from here. One more time. From that punch, rear leg, kick, down, feet together, woof. Guard 1, guard 2. Okay, right foot kick, then left foot guard, then right foot guard. Easy peasy. Okay, thank you very much. Keep practicing. We'll be moving on soon.